How to reset your mind from anxiety. Are you feeling overwhelmed by anxiety? Are your thoughts spiraling out of control? Do you need a reset? If so, this video is for you. We'll provide simple, practical steps to help you reset your mind from anxiety and get back on track. Find a relaxed, comfortable position. Find a relaxed, comfortable position. To initiate relaxation and reset your mind from anxiety, get comfortable in a seated position. Starting at the tips of your toes and working your way up, flex each major muscle group until you feel the tension release. Sometimes, the best thing you can do to change your negative thoughts is to change your focus. You could be seated on a chair or on the floor on a cushion. Keep your back upright, but relaxed, and take some deep breaths so you can begin to focus on your breathing. Gentle exercise. Gentle exercise is one of the best ways to relax your mind and body. It can be anything from a leisurely walk, to swimming, to yoga or Tai Chi. Exercise triggers the release of endorphins and other feel-good chemicals that will help put you in a better state of mind. Plus, gentle movements like yoga or Tai Chi can help reduce stress even without formal meditation or controlled breathing. And if you practice full-service yoga, you'll get even more benefits from the combination of deep breathing and stretching. So take some time to get outside and get moving. It can make a world of difference for your mental health. Practice the 4-4-4 breathing technique. Before you start the 4-4-4 breathing technique, it's important to find a relaxed and comfortable position. Lie down or sit in a comfortable chair and focus on your breathing. When you are ready, begin by slowly inhaling through your nose to a count of 4. Once you reach 4, hold the breath for another count of 4, then gently exhale through your nose for a count of 4. This helps calm the nervous system and reduce stress. Try breathing techniques. Breathing techniques are an important part of resetting your mind from anxiety. By taking slow, deep breaths, you can help to calm your body and mind and reduce stress levels. There are several different types of breathing exercises that you can use to help reset your mind and reduce anxiety. Yoga classes are often a great place to learn about breathing techniques and their benefits. 5-finger breathing is a practice that combines deep breathing with a focus on your senses. Mindful breathing is another exercise that can be used to improve sleep, reduce stress and fight off insomnia. By controlling your breath, you can find calm and reduce anxiety. Shift your focus. Shift your focus. To reset your mind from anxiety, sometimes the best thing you can do is to change your focus. Try going outside and getting some fresh air, exercising, or getting involved with a project. Doing something mindless like playing solitaire on your computer can also help redirect your thoughts and clear your mind. Additionally, be aware of your thoughts and attempt cognitive distancing to put distance between you and them. This is a powerful tool that can help you take back control of your thoughts and take the edge off of anxious feelings. Be aware of your thoughts. Be aware of what thoughts are filling your head. As you focus on the present moment, take note of the thoughts that are energy draining and distressing. It's important to be mindful of these thoughts as they can happen to anyone under stress and anxiety. Once you recognize these thoughts, you can start to rewire your anxious brain and eliminate anxiety triggers in order to reset your mind from worry and distress. Think about what you are thinking about. Now that you have shifted your focus, it's time to take a step back and think about what you are thinking about. Are your thoughts serving you or are they causing you more stress? Acknowledge the thoughts, but don't judge them. This can help you to become aware of where your mind is wandering off to and how this affects your overall anxiety levels. Change your focus. To shift your focus away from anxiety, try going outside and getting some exercise, or get involved with a project that interests you. By changing the focus of your attention, you can help reset your mind and create a cycle of calm and control. If you find yourself worrying constantly, take a step back and ask yourself what is causing you anxiety. Recognizing the source of your worries can be a powerful first step in managing your anxiety. Go outside, exercise, or get involved with a project. Getting involved in a project is a great way to reset your mind from anxiety. Whether it's a creative endeavor, a physical activity, or something else, engaging in an activity that takes your focus away from your anxious thoughts can be incredibly helpful. Exercise is known to be an effective way to reduce stress, and being outdoors in nature can help boost your mood and provide you with some much-needed perspective. Taking on a new challenge can also give you a sense of accomplishment and help to create a sense of purpose. Attempt cognitive distancing. Once you've found your relaxed position and practiced breathing techniques, the next step is to attempt cognitive distancing. This is a technique that can help you break away from the cycle of anxious thoughts and feelings. To do this, write down a negative belief you feel is holding you back on a piece of paper. Then practice the 4-4-4 breathing technique, which involves inhaling for a count of 4, holding for a count of 4, and exhaling for a count of 4. This type of deep breathing can help to restore the balance in your mind and body. Additionally, just 5 minutes of aerobic exercise, such as a brisk walk, can start to calm your mind by releasing endorphins. Lastly, consider trying out mental health apps or engaging in mindfulness and meditation practices to stay in the present moment. With these strategies in place, you can reset your mind from anxiety and lead a calmer life. Stay positive and believe in yourself.